Good morning. Today we're going to be talking about STAAR prep and all of the things that come with fourth grade STAAR prep for my classroom. So first I want to start with, yes, I know the STAAR test is one day, one test, and it doesn't show everything about your student. It doesn't show how amazing they are, how kind they are, how much of a problem solver they are. It doesn't show those qualities, and I get that. However, this is a life skill that all students need to know, and I teach this to them, and I say, think about if you want to become a lawyer someday. Well, before you become a lawyer, you have to take the bar. Before you become a nurse, you have to take a certification test. Firefighters have the same thing. They go through an academy and then they have to take a test. If you want to do plumbing, again, you go through trade school and then you have to take a final certification in order to do that. So, no matter what, you're going to be learning a content area, and then at the end, you have to review all of that to take a test, okay? That's just like fourth grade. We have been learning all of these things all year long, and now we are going to have a review period, and then we're going to take a test. So, it does have a life skill, it does have a life purpose, and I'm teaching, honestly, students how to review. That is my goal, is to teach students how to review and how to study. Not so much just preparing them for STAAR and hoping they get all the right answers. I'm also trying to teach them how to study in different ways. So some of the things that we start with is every day during Pride time or our morning review time, they will have a set of questions. So usually it's only 3 or 4 questions, and each day they will see something like this. It has a short passage and then a few questions that they will answer on their STAAR warm-up sheet. So for this week, they have something every single day, and you can see that there's 3 or 4 questions each day, and it's multiple choice. These questions are very geared towards words that they don't know, unknown words, and trying to figure that out. Because the STAAR is known for being higher level reading passages, which means words that students don't know. So students have to figure out and learn different strategies on how to figure out words they don't know. And this is a great time to review dictionary skills. I have taught it, so has their writing teacher, but sometimes we forget how to use the dictionary, so this is a great time to review how to use a dictionary and how to figure out words that they don't know using our strategies. So that's what we review every day, first thing in the morning. Then when they come to my class, they will also do another fun review game, because in fourth grade we still want to have fun when reviewing, so every day we have some sort of game or fun activity to do as a class. So for example, I have 3 different examples to show you guys. So we have partners that will get a baggie, and these are antonyms. So on these triangles, they have words, and they have to then go match it with a different triangle with their antonym. So if you have whisper, the opposite of whisper is very loud or yelling. So we're going to go find the match, and then it makes a bigger triangle. That's the answer. And so if they don't make a triangle, something went wrong. So this is just a fun way to remember what antonyms are and to practice. Another example of something that we do is we will do an around the room where cards are hung up around the room, and this is all about making inferences. And then they go around with a partner and they choose an answer for making an inference with a partner walking around the room and doing that. Another example of one of our STAAR warm-ups is I will read this book, No Kidding, Mermaids Are a Joke. It's a story of the Little Mermaid as told by the prince. So we read this, so it's a little bit of a different and it's fun for the kids. And then I give each group a set of statements. These are all things and facts that happened from the story, and they have to put them in order of events that happened in the book. And this is helping teach summary and plot. So those are just some of the games that we will do every day for the next couple weeks to review for STAAR. On top of that, we also have a personalized choice board that each student will have and they will get to go through. I have a different video explaining the personalized choice board, but every day they will work on something that they need to work on to better themselves and choose an activity to do for that. Then the day before the day of STAAR, we will go outside outside if it's not raining, and we'll go run some laps, we'll do some stretches, we'll get our brain ready, we'll get hyped, and we'll have a little talk about using strategies, and we'll just have a pep rally to get ready, fun music, all of that. Then, as they're entering back into the school, I will hand them each their own personalized card. So for example, this one, I actually practiced drawing, and I drew everybody a little something. So this one says, I'm very, very proud of you. And then I have another one, do not stress, you got this. And so I will give them all their own individual card. And on the back, I have written a message specifically for them. Some people need to slow down. Some people need to read carefully. I've done that, and I've signed my name, and they get a personalized card by me just telling them some last minute things that are personal to them. So that's all I have for STAAR Prep. Please go look at my other videos about my personalized choice board. Thank you.